This is Isaac Romero, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to graph rational expressions. So we have this equation here, 3x squared plus 9x over x squared plus 6x plus 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor each top and bottom, the numerator and the denominator. So 3x squared plus 9 would be factored, would be 3x parentheses x plus 3. Okay. In the numerator, so two numbers that add and subtract or multiply to 9 and add to 6 would be 3. So we would have, and since these signs are positive, we know that both of these would be positive. So x plus 3, x plus 3, parentheses. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find our restrictions. So we're going to come to the bottom and we're going to see x plus 3 and x plus 3. We should these equal to 0. They would equal negative 3. And since we had two negative 3s, we'll just write it down as 1. So our restrictions would be x cannot equal negative 3. For our vertical asymptote, we would set this down here to equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0 would give us x equals negative 3. So our vertical asymptote would be negative 3. Our wholes, x plus 3 cancels out with this x plus 3 and this one as well. Well, just this 1. So 3 divided by 3 would give us negative 3. So our wholes would be negative 3. Our x-intercept, to find our x-intercept, we set this 3x equal to 0. So we set this 3x equal to 0. Divide this by 3. X would equal 0. So we do not have any x-intercepts. For horizontal asymptote, we would divide 3x over x plus 3, and it would give us a positive 1, and we flip that into negative 1. So negative 1. And if our y-intercept, we divide x plus 3 by x plus 3, which would give us positive 1, and then we turn that and flip it to negative 1. Okay. Now to graph this rational expression, we're going to be looking at our vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So first we're going to write our vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So here we would have, at our horizontal asymptote, we would have negative 1. So we're going to draw a dotted line right through negative 1. All the way down. And for our vertical asymptote, it would be at negative 3. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. It would be at, we're going to draw a dotted line. Then we're going to put our y-intercept in here, which would be at negative 1. And our x-intercept would be at 0, so we don't have any x-intercepts. So we'll touch somewhere around here. So we're going to graph this out. To negative infinity. So this one will go to positive infinity, and this one will go to positive infinity this way. And then the graph is also going to appear up on this side, so it would be like this. And that is how you graph rational expressions.